Hello, everybody. I am putting my clothes on. There we go. All right, so it is around 3:30, 3:30 ish. This is my afternoon update. The sun will be setting. There's no sun today, but it should be getting dark in about an hour. So before it gets dark, I wanted to just show you what's happened. Between my morning, no, actually it wasn't morning. I think it was like a 12:30 update, and where it was crazy. Well, it is still crazy out here. It's been snowing heavily, very, 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 very heavy, uh, for hours since probably 12:30, 1 o'clock straight. There's has been this band. Of snow that has not moved at all. It's just over us, and it has been just completely. I mean, look at the uh, uh, there's no uh, like it's there's no visibility. That's what that's the word. That's what I'm trying to say. So the visibility is really really low still. And I mean, it's just snow. It's just coming down like crazy. I'm gonna step down, and I'm in my porch up here, so so that my camera doesn't get really wet really quick and freezes over, because then it'll start working. So I'm gonna go out real quick and show you just a little bit around, see how much snow we've gotten, because there's piles and piles of snow now, and so yeah, this might be very historic uh, storm. I mean, it's just the amount of snow that is falling is actually it's crazy, and of course, look at the blizzard conditions that we've had all across this area in the southeast and the Cape. Um, it's insane. The storm is moving already. It's already hitting Maine, but this is the part of the storm that they said was going to not move. It was forecasted, and it has not moved hardly at all. The low pressure did move, but its back end, which is the whole, it has been hugging the coast from New Jersey up to Long Island, which like parts of Long Island have had 2 feet of snow already, and then up here to this area, and then the coast of Maine is now getting hit, and they might get a bunch of snow as well. So it is still crazy windy and stormy. We shall see what happens, what the end amount of snow will be. And I'm gonna charge. I like shoveling snow for some weird reason. I'm gonna see how much snow we got, because I don't want to hurt my back. I was in bed with a bad back pain a couple of days ago. So I felt better yesterday. I feel better today as well, but I am shoveling, so I'm a little concerned. But I want to shovel a little bit at least. Um, it's fun to shovel. But before I shovel, let's go down. I don't want you to look at the same thing, but my phone will get really. Look at that right there. I'll show you. I shoveled all this earlier, um, and I'll walk. Holy crap! Look. Oh my good. Yeah, I don't know if I want to shovel this. It's way too much snow. Look at the amount of snow. Holy cow. These are my knees. So, and I shoveled this. There was absolutely no snow here, because I shoveled it all. And look at uh, there's just drifts, piles and piles, because it's so windy. Actually, let me get out into the street. The streets are less. But yeah, crazy, crazy. Looks beautiful. There's a guy over there walking his dog. It's just a beautiful, beautiful scene. The wind it is windy. I think I get a little, I mean, but it's not like, I don't think it's strong, like really, really strong right now. So I'm not sure about the blizzard conditions. Again, blizzard conditions can come and go as the storm continues. Um, my phone is going to, I mean, it's all wet and it'll probably freeze very soon, but just wanted to give you a little bit of a sense of, um, look at that. Just spot this, tons of snow. Walking and walking. It's absolutely amazing out here. But I'm not gonna make it long. I just want you guys to see what's the latest, see all the amount of snow, and we take some pictures. And I don't know if I want to shovel. I'll take some pictures, and all these videos will be posted on my YouTube channel as well. And thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it, even especially for people that don't live here. It's always if you don't like the cold or snow, it's good to enjoy this from far away. So see you guys later. Bye.